Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at an awesome item. What this is here is a circuit breaker finder adapter kit. Now it does come, everything you see here, it's all included in this kit. It comes with the accessory bag to store it. It comes with a, this is what you do is you plug into an outlet, like I say, a light bulb outlet, and you're trying to trace circuits. You need something like this. Easy to use, easy to manage. This is all different adapters for that kit as you're tracing where the current's going from. Are you checking a grounding issues or outlet adapters or anything like that, light sockets? You want to just, trace things. You need to have certain adapters to access certain things. So if you want to know where the breaker is at a certain outlet, you need something like this to really do that. So this is a plug-in for like a light socket. This is a two-prong to three-prong adapter. So if you have an old school two-prong, as you can see here, you plug this in, you plug in your three-prong here, you plug in your tool, and then you can trace those circuits back and forth. But you need these adapters to do that. Now I like this one the best. This is really interesting here. If you're working on an open circuit, you're working inside an electrical box, and you got some wires, and you're trying to trace where those are coming from, you pop this in here into the wire leads, you put your tracer on here, and then you can track it down to the fuse box itself or the circuit breaker. So that's what these tools are for. They're designed to work with electrician. If you're an electrician, if you need certain tools and certain adapters, this is something that you need. It's a nice long cable. You just pop this onto a couple of alligator clips here. You can see how they just clip on. You clip these onto the wire, you put your tracer on here, your adapter, and you go to the fuse box or the circuit breaker, and then you can trace that outlet or that circuit or wherever to the specific one here, so you can trace them. That's why you need these certain adapter kits to do all that type of work. Comes like you see here, complete. Comes with all the tools here, and it does come with a nice nylon zippered carrying case to throw in your toolbox when you're out there working in the field. So this is something I definitely recommend for sure. The company did send this to me. It did compensate me to make this review, but I want to show you what something like this can do for you if you're out there searching for certain accessories. You need these things, believe it or not. It's very, very important. They all plug in like this here. You can do this. You can do all kinds of things. You need an extension. You can actually pop this in here like that. And then you can turn this in a socket. Now you got a three-prong if you want to pop that on there. So you can see how the versatility works with all of this here. Another thing here, you can pop this on here. So there's all kinds of cool things you can do. Definitely recommend something like this if you're interested in this type of product. I'm definitely going to go ahead and recommend it. It does exactly as intended. It works quite well. And these three little things, believe it or not, are going to save you a huge hassle when you're trying to trace certain circuits. And that's really important. If you got a light bulb in the ceiling and it doesn't work and you're trying to find out why, you plug this into where the light bulb is. Let's say you put your tracer on, right? Bulb, you plug it in, you pop this on here. Now you can plug in your three-prong tracer. It's just that easy. So this is what I have for you guys. Hope you enjoyed this. If I brought you some value, don't forget to follow the channel for more. I really do appreciate that. Like and share. We do all types of reviews like this to make your shopping experience a lot better and a lot easier. All high-quality stuff, good quality grade, and definitely the way to go. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the review. If I brought you some value, please don't forget to consider following for more updates. Thanks for watching, and make it a great day.